the goodness of God. I love your voice.
Walking for help.
You have led me through the fire, and in darkest night, you were close like no other. I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God.
Galing sa labas. Oo. Galing sa labas eh.
Ayun, oh, ang kapal ng bamboo
Oo
dyan.
nga, no? Cute.
Wow, may picture nga ako. Ay, kaya ako yung picture dito. Ito, maganda. Anti-picture ko. Both. Yan, puro ano dito, guys. So nice. Bamboo.
Ang sarap sa feeling, oh. Ang cool.
Pag nila-live ko, wala. Bakit hindi saan makita yung live dito?
Ganda dito, oh, bamboo. Sorry, kahit pero. Yan yung gusto ni Mimi. Yan. Makatabit pichok na kayo. Hey guys, dali ko fans. Hello. Baka kayo